Good day, boys and girls. Before us today, in this video, we have mathematics, and we'll be treating together time. What is the definition of time? Time is defined as the duration in which all things happens. We have to note the space in between the numbers is 5 minutes. The short end for counting hours. The long end for counting minutes, while the longest end for counting seconds. In example 1, what is the time? Remember, I says the long end counts minutes, while the short end counts hour. In between 12 and 1, we have 5 minutes, and in between 1 and 2, we have another 5 minutes. So 5 minutes in between 12 and 1 plus the 5 minutes in between 1 and 2 gives us 10. So the time is 10 minutes past 12, or we say 12:10. Example 2. What is the time? Remember, the long end counts minutes, while the short end counts hour. When the long end points to 12, it is o'clock. So it means the time is 9 o'clock. Going to example 3. What is the time before us? Let's take a closer look at the clock before us. When the long end points to 6, it is half past. It is 9:30, or we say 9:30, because the long end is pointing to 6, while the short end that contains hours is leaving 9 to 10. So the time is 9:30, or 9:30. Example number 4. What is the time? Note, when the long end points to 9, it is 9:45. The long end points to 9, it is 9:45. I come again. So the answer before us says it is 4:45, because the long end points to 9, while the short end is leaving 3 to 4. So we say the time is 4:45. Take a better look at example number 5. As you can see, it's quite different from our past examples. When the long end points to 3, it is 4:15. It means the time is 12:15, or we say 12:15. We said 12:15 in the sense of counting the minutes in between 12 and 1, which is 5 minutes, and the minutes in between 1 and 2, which is another 5 minutes, making 10 minutes. Included in 5 minutes in between 12 and 3, which gives us 15. So that is why we arrive by saying the time is 12:15, or 12:15. Hello, blessed children. Now let's solve this assessment together. We can see different clocks before us, clock number 1 to 5. Now treating clock number 1. Remember, long ends, when it points to 12, it is telling us that it is o'clock. So when the long end points to 12 and the long end is pointing to 9, it means that time is 9 o'clock. Assessment number 2. Remember, I told you when the long end points to 2, it means it's telling us that the time is past. In the sense of counting the minutes in between 12 and 1, which is 5 minutes, and 1 and 2, which is another 5 minutes. So 5 minutes plus 5 minutes will give us 10. So the time is 10 minutes past 12. Take a look at the assessment number 3. Remember, when the long end points to 3, it's telling us that it is quarter past. And the short end before us is leaving 7 to 8. So it means we have quarter past 7. Number 4. I know my children are enjoying this video, enjoying the lesson. Yes, we have before us another clock, which telling us that the long end is pointing to 9, in which we know when the long end is on 9, it is quarter to. And the shortest end is leaving 11 to 12. It means that time is quarter to 12. Example number 5. We all know that when the long end points to 12, it's telling us that it is half. Or now, taking a very good look at the clock, we can see that the long end is on 6, while the shortest end is leaving 12 to 1. So we say the time is 12:30 or half past 12. I know so far so good you've enjoyed the teaching. Please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and to like our videos till we meet again. Bye bye.